conversation. बातचीत. Deepa, come here. Show me your hands. Yes, mummy. Very good, Deepa. Your hands look clean. Thank you, mummy. Come here, Amir. Show me your feet. Yes, Papa. Your feet look clean. Very good. Thank you, Papa. Sonal, show me your hands. Are they clean? No, I am sorry. Wash your hands. Yes, Dada. Listen and repeat. सुनो और मेरे साथ दोहराओ. Good. अच्छा. Clean. साफ. Wash. धोना. You. तुम. Your. तुम्हारा. They. वो. To get all the videos of your Standard 1 English subject, please subscribe our channel 4G School, a smart way of learning through technology. And please like this video and share with your friends.